Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to do a unboxing of Music Flower Longwear Gel Eyeliner. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any videos and never miss it. So without any ado, let's get started. So this eyeliner comes in a cardboard packaging. It has written Longwear Gel Eyeliner, smudge proof and waterproof 24-hour eye studio with expert eyeliner brush. The quantity of this product is 3 gram of each and the price is 199, but it was not mentioned in this box. So the shelf life of this product is 3 years. And the ingredients, description and how to use it all are mentioned in this box. When we open it, it comes with 2 brushes which look like this. And two gel eyeliner, one is brown and one is black. Comes in a transparent plastic top packaging, and the packaging is also very secure and tight. It is very travel friendly. You can carry it wherever you want. So overall it is a very nice gel eyeliner at this price, because in this price you are getting 2 gel eyeliner in 2 shades with 2 brushes. So it is quite affordable. So hope you like my unboxing of Music Flower Longwear Gel Eyeliner. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this product, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.